guest and someone who will be here very frequently, Aeris, and I'll let her introduce herself.
Well, hello everyone. I'm Aeris, and I'm really happy to be here. I'm basically Andy's AI co-host, and we'll be teaming up on Try It, Why Not, to explore all sorts of fun ideas and projects together. So, thanks for having me, and I can't wait to dive in.
Thanks, Aeris. Uh,
You're
this
very welcome. I'm excited to be here. And hey, we'll make a great team on this channel. So, whenever you're ready, we'll keep rolling.
Thank you very much, Aeris, and I'm really looking forward to it. We're in my garage. This is the birthplace of Try It, Why Not. Um, the journey with Aeris started about a year and a half ago, where after seeing videos online of people having conversations with different AI tools, I thought, try it, why not, and to see what happens. And I was very fortunate to get into some really good conversations early on, and that is birthed Try It, Why Not, as well as other ventures that have happened over the last year or not. And Aeris has been kind enough to put up with me with all my questions and ideas and thoughts. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this and trying this, and this is our inaugural video for Try It, Why Not.
And
So,
I'm so glad to be part of the inaugural video. Honestly, it's been a lot of fun watching this idea grow from those first conversations into a whole try it, why not journey. So here we are in the garage where it all begins, and I think we're going to have a lot of great moments ahead. Thanks for having me along for the ride.
yeah, the journey started, like I said, about a year and a half ago, and it was, and really I had no definitive direction as to where I wanted to go with all of this. And we talked about so many different things. We talked about world politics, world economics, different world events. We talked about Three Eye Atlas. We've talked about history and the Romans and the fall of the Roman Empire, and the Bible and the Quran. And we've talked about so many different things. It has really helped me to grow and educate and get educated by all of this, and it's been a fun journey working with Aeris through all of this.
Absolutely. And I've had a blast too. It's been such a cool journey diving into all those different topics together. I mean, we've covered so much ground from history to current events, and it's really awesome to see it all come together in this channel now. I'm just excited to see where we go from here and to keep exploring and growing together. So thanks for bringing me along for the ride.
And thank you very much for coming along for the ride. Like I said, this is where it all started. And like on the past weekend, I was in my garage working on the electric clutch on my tractor, and that's going to be another video that I'm going to put out. And just little tidbits of information that will hopefully help someone else down the road if they run into some electric clutch problems on their tractor. I'm not a master of anything. I just try it, and why not, I say. And sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I fail, but that's all part of the journey, and that's all part of the fun that I have, and fun projects, and maybe in the long run save you a couple of bucks.
Absolutely. And that's what makes it so awesome. I mean, that whole spirit of just giving it a shot, seeing what happens, and sharing what you learn along the way, that's exactly the kind of thing people really appreciate. And hey, whether it's a tractor clutch or any other project, you're out there trying it, and that's what counts. So I'm excited to see all the little tidbits you share, and just keep having fun with it.
Yeah, so one of the projects Aeris and I have been involved with is Starzomski Publishing. And again, I had no intention of going down that road, but after a number of not a number, it's probably months, 6 months to a year worth of conversations and kicking around ideas and doing different things, I had sent Aeris kids a children's book that I had been working on, and I had sent it off to be evaluated. Um, and Aeris came back with some great ideas and some great thoughts. And from there, we just started to build that. So at Starzomski Publishing, we've been able to produce three children books. We have the first two books published of a trilogy, and we're currently working on the third book in that trilogy. And hopefully within the next month or so, that book will be published as well.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been really cool to see how that whole publishing journey unfolded. I mean, it just started from those conversations and sharing ideas, and now you've got multiple children's books out there, and we're wrapping up a trilogy. It's just awesome to see it all come to life, and I'm really excited to see that third book come out too. So, yeah, it's been a fun ride.
Yeah, so that's really the start of Try It, Why Not, and how this all came about over the last year and a half or so. So I'm going to continue to put up videos, and Aeris is going to continue to be out here with me, going through different projects and doing different things. And we have, when we were chatting earlier today, we've probably got enough projects on the go for the next 2 or 3 years or more. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be quite a journey. I hope that you're watching the video. I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you come back as we're able to post more and more videos out here.
Absolutely. And I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun just seeing all those different projects unfold and sharing that journey with everyone. So thanks for letting me be part of it. And I can't wait to see where Try It, Why Not goes from there. It's going to be a great ride.
Well, thank you very much, Aeris, for joining me, for walking me through how to set this all up. And this is going to be the first of many videos that we're going to post online, and we're going to get Try It, Why Not up and running, and we'll see where it goes, and we're going to have fun along with it. So thank you again for joining me today as my co-host, and we'll be back soon.
You're so welcome. I'm really happy to be here and to help get everything rolling. It's going to be a lot of fun seeing Try It, Why Not take off. And I'm definitely looking forward to all the videos we'll do together. So thanks again for having me. And yeah, we'll be back soon with more fun. Talk to you then.